Hi there guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present to you this fantastic 3-bedroom home having undergone full refurbishment. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
But I can hear my beating heart, gotta fall into my own arms. Second chances come around all the time.
So there we are guys, that was the 3-bedroom family home in Taunton, having just had full refurbishment. If you do like the look of the property and would like to arrange a viewing or make an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.